Today we are making strawberry spinach feta salad. Quick and easy, light recipe. Let's get started. I got some Grey Poupon and some honey and olive dressing to make a little, spice up my dressing a little bit for the salad. So, let me tell you what you need. You need 7 to 10 cups of fresh, washed, baby spinach. Need a half a cup of crumbled feta cheese. And a half a cup of, I'm using garlic dressing with a teaspoon of honey mustard and honey. You could use toasted almonds, a 1/4 cup, or candy almonds, make them candy. And then you want to toast your spinach and your strawberries and your almonds together. Whisk your dressing separately. And I like to put my dressing on each individual bowl instead of the big bowl that I'm serving. Sprinkle some feta over your salad. Throw them likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button because you want to see more. Me and my things and my stuff to do this stuff.